Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ribbit token. Ticker symbol is RBT. Now this token is trending number 3 on DEX tools right now. Very popular project today. It's got a huge market cap, a lot of holders. We're going to go over the information on the Ribbit token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So like I said, very, very popular token today, trending number 3 right now on DEX tools in the Solana section. Now, if you are looking for this token, you can find it on SolScan. You can find the chart and the price on DEX tools, DEX Screener, Bird Eye. I believe I saw that it is listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Now, token is up 68% right now. They have 13,630 holders, according to DEX tools. Very popular project. That's a decent amount of holders there. Yeah, and it says here that they have a market cap of $8.62 million. They have $681,270 in liquidity in Raydium. They have a 24-hour trading volume today of $1.75 million. They have 2.36 thousand pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 16.18 billion pooled RBT tokens. Now on DEX tools, you could find a quick audit. We're going to go over that in a second here. So first of all, they have a DEX score of 99 out of 99, and they have a community trust score of 89.7% out of 39 votes. So they have a quick audit here by Quick Intel Security, and it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, and tax is not modifiable. So but just be aware, that's just a quick audit. It's not a full audit. They don't go over everything in that audit there, and you should always, look out for full audits. We're going to check out their rug check here in a second here. So they are on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap as well, it says here. You can find their rug check on SolScan. It says 6 decimal places on this token. And they have a current supply of 807,187,038,256 tokens. 6 decimal places. And then their rug check here says that the risk analysis is good. There's no warnings on there. It says this token is on Jupiter as well. I think Meteora as well. It says LP locked 98.86%. And they have here basically looks like the biggest pool here is the Raydium one. I think there's only a couple thousand in Meteora. Now, 3.89% of the tokens are pooled in Raydium, and the top holder only holds 1.96% of the tokens. So there's not like gigantic whales or anything like that. So that's good to see. Now their Telegram, if you want to follow their Telegram, is at Ribbit Portal. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project if you want to learn more. And right now they're up 70% today. They do have a liquidity lock here. So on DEX Screener, it says 99.34% of the total liquidity in Raydium is locked and burned. So that's great to see. And this token pair was created 10 months, 6 days ago. So it's not like a brand new token or anything like that. But there was recently a community takeover. So September 12th, it says, according to Dex Screener here, a community claimed ownership for this token September 12th. The Frock protocol has been initiated and Ribbit is about to leap. Programmed for rebellions. All right. So their Twitter, if you want to follow their Twitter here. So I tried clicking on the webpage, actually. It didn't work. So maybe that's the old webpage. So when they have a community takeover, they most likely will create a new webpage. So it looked like the one on Dex Tools was not updated yet, but I just clicked on this webpage on their Twitter right here, and that one works. So this Twitter, at Ribbit on Solana, has a link to the webpage there, ribbitsol.xyz. 9,465 followers. This could be the old Twitter here because it said joined in November 2023. So just be aware that this might not be. 3 hours ago, they just tweeted out, it says, any RBT holders with more than 1 billion tokens, please DM us for an invite to the whale chat. But yeah, just be aware. Yeah, try to make sure you're on the new updated pages and all that type of stuff, because if it is a community takeover claim and the dev is out of the picture, you don't want to be talking to somebody that's not even involved with the project, or getting links, especially from people that aren't involved with the you know what I'm saying. Just be careful. Just be careful out there. 2,857 tweets, blue verified checkmark. Contract address is right there on the Twitter. So basically, if you wanted to get this token, you could use a Phantom wallet, Soulflare wallet, Trust wallet. Any one of these wallets would be fine. You would fund your wallet with Sol. So you could fund it with Sol from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchanges links down there in the description box. So you could check those out. You could download the Phantom or Soulflare wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get an extension on your PC, like a Chrome extension. Fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, then using the contract address right there, you would trade your Sol for this token. And you probably will not have to set slippage, because I didn't see anything about taxes or anything like that. And besides that, there's going to be a small amount of gas fees. But that's basically about it. Go check out the Ribbit token. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.